This 2023 Keystone Bullet East 290 bhs is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Keystone is 33 feet 6 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Ashland interior, sleeps 10, water heater, Slideout, smoke detector, spare tire kit, Skylight, Colorado Detector, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Bullet East 290 bhs is 6,380 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.